Hello friends, you have seen our video on planning. Now this is the additional video on the next topic, various steps in the process of planning. Let us see that in detail. Steps in the process of planning are given below. I am reading it out for you. First, perception of opportunity, establish objective, planning premises, determining alternative, evaluating the alternative, selecting the alternative, formulating plan, establish sequence and implementation of the plans. Let us see each and every one in detail. The first point, perception of opportunities. This is the first point. If the manager is aware of the opportunity, that is external and internal, we can or he can plan accordingly. The example which will make you more clear. For example, if Mr. PM Narendra Modi ji drives to Make in India is a very good example for manufacturing sector if somebody wants to start their factory. Second point, establishing objective. The next important step is to establish the objective. They are the end point. Objectives are the end point as to what is to be done, when, where, how. The objective should be long term as well as short term. Third, the objective should be reasonable. Strategies, policies, rules should be made in such a way that it helps in establishing our objectives. Next point, planning premises. Premises means assumptions. These assumptions are of two types. First one is internal premises, internal assumption. Second thing is external. Let us see them in detail. Internal premises are within the organization because we make it our policy, our program, our sales, our capital, our investment, etc. All is internal. Whereas external premises, it includes political factor, social factor, economical factor, taxation policy of the government. Now all these factors influence the demand of a product. Therefore, a manager has to consider both the factor, internal and external, and make plan accordingly so that the objectives are achieved. Next point, determining alternate course of action. The manager has to develop and examine alternate course of action. Suppose plan A fails, then there should be a plan B. Alternative plans helps to minimize the risk and achieve the objective in a best possible manner. Therefore, alternative plan should be selected. Evaluate alternate sources. Alternatives should be evaluated on various premises or goals or objectives. One alternative may be more risky and profitable, whereas one may be less risky and less profitable, but whatever alternative you have selected should be properly evaluated by the manager. Next point, therefore he has to select the best course of action. After evaluating the best course of action in each and every different parameters, he should select the best. Next, supportive plan. What is supportive plan? It are the plans which helps the main plan. The example will make it more clear. I have made a plan to launch a product. Therefore, marketing and advertisement for the product is a supportive plan because it supports my main plan. Next, establishing sequence, which plan what work is to be done first, second and so on, so that the plans can be put into action and decide who will perform which activity we perform first, and based on that second and so on. Next, plan should be implemented and control. The plan needs to be checked, controlled and follow up regularly. And then it should be compared with the performance. If they are performing, then there is no problem. If they are not performing, they are not implemented, so we have to revise the plan. View this video many times to score. Share this video to all your friends. For more video, visit our YouTube channel. Contact number is given YouTube Pranav classes.